My name is Dejan, and in this complete program you will learn how to start, develop and scale your business as a digital entrepreneur, even if you have no digital product to sell, no ideas to start with and no experience at all. By clicking on this introduction video, you made your first step to become a successful entrepreneur or to scale your business. Only the sky is the limit. This program is structured in 5 separate modules. Now let's see what you will learn. In the first module, I will explain what is the product and what types of products have the potential to produce high profits, types of digital products, and what is secret formula of success. I will show you step by step how to build an effective digital product. Then I will show you examples of the product content and how to write a description of the product that will grab your buyer's attention. By the end of this module, you will have your fully functional digital product to sell. And then you can proceed to module 2. Now, if you already have your product, then you can skip the module 1 and dive into module 2 because you have noticed how tough it is to get potential buyers to read something you've written. You may try to blame the crowded web with all these distractions, but that's not the case. To help in establishing how you should write your sales letter, it is important to map out your objectives. Once you're clear about your objective, it will be easy for you to adapt the techniques that I'm about to explain here. In the module 2, we'll talk about powerful copywriting. For selling any product or service, I will show you how to notify the customers, how to get the response, and I will show you some bad examples of sales letter, the difference between unsolicited proposal, brochures and sales letter. And in the module 2, I will also show you segmentation, targeting and position techniques and how to create a perfect headlines to strengthen your sales and some fundamental copywriting tips. And now you're ready to proceed to module 3. In module 3, I will show you how you can increase sales and promote products online on autopilot, how you can create a global market reach for your product, how you can create partnership with other people who will help you with promoting and selling your product. And I will show you the best free and paid traffic sources for your marketing campaigns. I will show you step by step the most popular methods for product promotion. You will understand how you can put your customers in the buying mood and why is it important working with influencers. I will show you how to create an email marketing campaign, how to draw and create sales funnels, Google Ads campaigns, affiliate marketing campaigns, everything. And I will give you bonus strategies that will blow your mind. And then it is your turn to do assignments. And after that, you're ready to proceed to module 4. In the module 4, sales pipeline stages, we'll talk about various stages of your sales funnel from strategic perspective, so you can understand how you should be engaging with your target audience at each stage. It is very important to understand this correctly. Internet marketing is just a lot more complicated than just, hey, click on a website and buy something. In the last module of this program, I will show you step by step what you need to do to lead people on a sales journey. After this journey, you will understand that you can use the sales funnels to convince people why they need to purchase your product, what benefits they have if they use your product, what are the consequences if they don't use your product. You will know how to use testimonials of people who are using this product and all that you can do in sales funnels. I will explain what are the sales funnels and show you some excellent examples, and what are the best paid sales funnel solution and how to choose the right sales funnel solution for you. And then I will show you step by step how to draw and create your totally free and fully functional sales funnel in WordPress. And I will have some bonus tips as well. In this 7 hours video course, I will show you everything. So grab your seat right away. I see you in a few moments.